Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Converting a Python file, .py, to an executable, .exe, file can be useful for distributing your application to users who may not have Python installed on their systems. One of the most popular tools for this task is pyinstaller. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to convert a Python file to an executable using pyinstaller. Step 1. Install pyinstaller. First, you need to install pyinstaller. You can do this using pip. Open your command prompt or terminal and run. Step 2. Write your Python script. Create a simple Python script that you want to convert to an executable. For example, let's create a file named hello.py. Step 3. Convert Python script to executable. To convert your Python script to an executable, navigate to the directory where your hello.py file is located using the command prompt. You can use the cd command to change directories. For example, then, run pyinstaller with the following command. Explanation of the command. pyinstaller, the command to run pyinstaller. -1 a file, this option tells pyinstaller to bundle everything into a single executable file. hello.py, the name of your Python script. Step 4, locate the executable. After running the command, pyinstaller will create several folders and files in your script's directory. dist, this is where the executable file will be located. Build, this is used by pyinstaller during the build process. hello.spec, this is a spec file that contains information about the build. The executable file will be located in the dist folder and will be named hello.exe. Step 5, run the executable. You can now run the executable by navigating to the dist folder and double-clicking hello.exe, or by running it from the command prompt. Additional options. pyinstaller comes with various options that you can use to customize the build process. 1 icon, you can add an icon to your executable using the -icon option. 2 windowed mode, if you want to create a GUI application and don't want a console window to appear, you can use the -no console option. 3 adding data files, if your application requires additional files, like images or data files, you can use the -add data option. Conclusion. You have now successfully converted a Python script to an executable file using pyinstaller. This executable can be shared with others who do not have Python installed. Remember that the executable might be larger than the original script due to the inclusion of the Python interpreter and other dependencies. For more advanced usage, consider checking the pyinstaller documentation, https://pyinstaller.readthedocs.io/n/stable, for further options and configurations.